Question 1. What is the primary role of a development team in Scrum? Primary role of the development team in Scrum. The primary role of the development team in Scrum is to create the product or solution that meets the project's goals. They are responsible for turning ideas and plans into a working product. The team collaborates, plans, and works in sprints, short, time-boxed periods, to deliver parts of the project. Why? This role is crucial because the development team is directly involved in the hands-on work needed to complete the project. They ensure that the product is built correctly and meets the quality standards required. Example, Skunkworks Spin Dynamics Breakdancing Power Moves Fundamentals. Imagine Skunkworks Spin Dynamics, a fictional company that teaches breakdancing power moves. Their development team's role in a Scrum project is to design, build, and test training modules for these moves. They work together in sprints, setting goals like perfecting the windmill or the headspin. The team collaborates closely, ensuring each module meets the skill level and quality expected by their students. This focused, iterative approach helps them deliver effective and engaging training modules efficiently and effectively. Can you think of any other important aspects of the development team's role in Scrum? Other important aspects of the development team's role in Scrum: self-organization. The development team organizes its own work and decides how to achieve the sprint goals. They figure out how to tackle tasks and solve problems without being told what to do. Why? This helps the team adapt quickly to changes and manage their time and resources effectively. Collaboration. Team members work together closely, sharing ideas and skills. Good communication helps them solve issues and create better solutions. Why? Collaboration ensures that everyone contributes their best, leading to higher quality and faster progress. Commitment. The team commits to completing the tasks they've planned for each sprint. They take responsibility for their work and aim to meet the goals they've set. Why? Commitment keeps the team focused and motivated, which helps them deliver valuable results. Example, Skunkworks Spin Dynamics Breakdancing Power Moves Fundamentals. At Skunkworks Spin Dynamics, a fictional company teaching breakdancing power moves, the development team plays these key roles. Self-organization. The team decides how to develop and improve training videos and practice routines for moves like the flare or the swipe. They plan their tasks and manage their time without needing constant direction. Collaboration. Instructors, choreographers, and video editors work together. For example, choreographers and instructors brainstorm new drills, while video editors make sure the instructional videos are clear and engaging. Commitment. The team sets goals for each sprint, such as creating a new tutorial for a specific power move. They stay focused and work hard to meet these goals, ensuring that the training materials are ready on time. By embracing self-organization, collaboration, and commitment, Skunkworks Spin Dynamics development team ensures they provide top-notch training materials and techniques for breakdancing enthusiasts. Question 2. What are the primary responsibilities of a product owner in Scrum? Primary responsibilities of a product owner in Scrum. The primary responsibilities of a product owner in Scrum are to define what needs to be built and prioritize these needs. They manage the product backlog, which is a list of tasks and features required for the project. The product owner ensures that the team is working on the most important tasks that deliver the most value to customers. Why? These responsibilities are crucial because they help guide the development team on what to focus on, ensuring that the product being developed meets the needs and expectations of the stakeholders. Example, Skunkworks Spin Dynamics Breakdancing Power Moves Fundamentals. At Skunkworks Spin Dynamics, a fictional company that specializes in breakdancing power moves, the product owner has these responsibilities: define what needs to be built. The product owner decides which new training modules or features are needed, such as a tutorial for a new power move like the headspin. They gather input from breakdancers and instructors to understand their needs. Prioritize needs. They prioritize tasks in the product backlog based on what will provide the most value to students, like creating a step-by-step guide for mastering a complex move before adding advanced techniques. Manage the backlog. The product owner maintains and updates the list of tasks and features, ensuring that the most important items are at the top and ready for the development team to work on. By clearly defining and prioritizing these needs, the product owner at Skunkworks Spin Dynamics ensures that the team focuses on creating valuable and effective training materials for breakdancers. Question 3. What is the primary role of a Scrum Master in Scrum? Primary role of a Scrum Master in Scrum. The primary role of the Scrum Master in Scrum is to help the team follow Scrum practices and processes. They act as a coach and facilitator, making sure that the team works smoothly and efficiently. The Scrum Master helps remove obstacles that might slow down the team and ensures everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. Why? This role is important because the Scrum Master helps the team stay focused and productive, ensuring that they follow the Scrum framework correctly and achieve their goals. Example, Skunkworks Spin Dynamics Breakdancing Power Moves Fundamentals. At Skunkworks Spin Dynamics, a fictional company that creates breakdancing power moves training materials, the Scrum Master has these responsibilities. Help the team follow Scrum practices. The Scrum Master ensures that the team follows Scrum rituals, like daily stand-up meetings and sprint reviews, to keep everyone on track and aligned with the project goals. Act as a coach and facilitator. They support the team by offering guidance on Scrum processes and helping them improve their work habits, like suggesting ways to better plan and execute training module development. Remove obstacles. If the team faces issues, such as delays in receiving feedback or technical problems with video production, the Scrum Master works to resolve these problems so the team can continue their work without interruption. By fulfilling these roles, the Scrum Master at Skunkworks Spin Dynamics ensures that the team can effectively develop high-quality training materials for breakdancing power moves, enhancing the learning experience for their students. 1. Question 1. What is the primary role of the development team, also known as developers? 1. To ensure the team is building the right product. B. Maximize the value of the product delivered by the team. C. Help the team understand why their work matters. D. Build the product. The correct answer is D. Build the product. The primary role of a development team, also known as developers or dev team in Scrum, is to build the product. This is their core responsibility within the Scrum framework. Let's elaborate on this. Product creation. The development team is responsible for creating a potentially releasable increment of done product to the end of each sprint. Self-organizing. They decide how to turn product backlog items into increments of potentially releasable functionality. Cross-functional. The team has all the skills necessary to create the product increment. Collective responsibility. No titles exist within the development team, and no sub-teams should be created regardless of domains that need to be addressed. Accountability. The entire development team is accountable for their work, not individual members. While the other options listed are important aspects of the Scrum process, they are not the primary responsibilities of the development team. A. Ensuring the team is building the right product is more aligned with the product owner's role. B. Maximizing the value of the product is also primarily the product owner's responsibility. C. Helping the team understand why their work matters is a shared responsibility, but often falls more to the product owner and Scrum Master. The development team's focus is on how to build the product increment, collaborating to deliver high-quality work that meets the definition of done. 2. Question 2. What are the primary responsibilities of a product owner? Select all that apply. 1. Ensures the product backlog is visible and transparent to all. B. Coaches the Scrum team. C. Makes sure the product or service fulfills the customer's needs. D. Prioritizes the product backlog to optimize delivery and value to customers. The correct answers are A. Ensures the product backlog is visible and transparent to all. C. Makes sure the product or service fulfills the customer's needs. D. Prioritizes the product backlog to optimize delivery and value to customers. Let's break down each of these responsibilities and explain why they are part of the product owner's role. A. Ensures the product backlog is visible and transparent to all. The product owner is responsible for managing the product backlog. This includes making sure it's clear, accessible, and understood by all team members and stakeholders. Transparency is a key Scrum pillar, and the product backlog is a crucial artifact for communication and planning. C. Makes sure the product or service fulfills the customer's needs. The product owner represents the stakeholders and is the voice of the customer. They are responsible for maximizing the value of the product and the work of the development team. This involves understanding customer needs and ensuring the product meets those needs. D. Prioritizes the product backlog to optimize delivery and value to customers. One of the most important responsibilities of the product owner is ordering the items in the product backlog to best achieve goals and missions. They decide what features or changes should be worked on next, based on business value, risk, dependencies, and other factors. The option that is not a primary responsibility of the product owner is B. Coaches the Scrum team. While the product owner does interact closely with the Scrum team, coaching the team is primarily the responsibility of the Scrum Master. The Scrum Master coaches the team in self-organization and cross-functionality, and helps them understand Scrum theory, practices, rules, and values. In summary, the product owner focuses on maximizing the value of the product, managing the product backlog, and ensuring that the product meets customer needs. They work closely with stakeholders, the development team, and the Scrum Master, but their primary focus is on the product and its value. 3. Question 3. What is the primary role of the Scrum Master? 1. A. They promote and support the Scrum process by helping everyone understand and implement Scrum. B. They do the work to build the product. C. They work to continuously maximize the value of the product delivered by the Scrum team. D. They ensure the team is building the right product. The correct answer is A. They promote and support the Scrum process by helping everyone understand and implement Scrum. Explanation of the Scrum Master's role. The Scrum Master plays a crucial role in the Scrum framework by serving as a facilitator and coach for the Scrum team and the organization. Here's a breakdown of their primary responsibilities. Promoting Scrum. The Scrum Master helps everyone involved understand the principles and practices of Scrum. This includes educating the team and stakeholders about Scrum roles, events, and artifacts. Supporting the team, they assist the development team in becoming self-organizing and cross-functional. The Scrum Master removes impediments that may hinder the team's progress and fosters an environment conducive to collaboration. Coaching, the Scrum Master coaches the team and the organization on how to apply Scrum effectively, ensuring that the team adheres to Scrum practices and values. Facilitating events, they facilitate Scrum events such as sprint planning, daily Scrums, sprint reviews, and sprint retrospectives, ensuring that these events are productive and focused. Why the other options are incorrect. B. They do the work to build the product. This responsibility falls primarily to the development team. The Scrum Master does not build the product but supports the team in their efforts. C. They work to continuously maximize the value of the product delivered by the Scrum team, while the Scrum Master supports the product owner in maximizing value. This responsibility primarily lies with the product owner, who is tasked with managing and prioritizing the product backlog. D. They ensure the team is building the right product. This is also primarily the role of the product owner, who focuses on ensuring that the product meets customer needs and aligns with business goals. In summary, the primary role of the Scrum Master is to promote and support the Scrum process, helping everyone involved understand and implement Scrum effectively. 4. Question 4. Imagine you are a Scrum Master coaching developers to embrace the traits of an effective development team, being cross-functional, self-organizing, and supportive. Which additional traits should effective development teams display? 1.A. They should operate independently, without direct oversight from the product owner. B. They should be customer-oriented. C. They should work as individuals rather than as a team. D. They should share expertise in the same discipline. The correct answer is B. They should be customer-oriented. Let's break down why this is the correct answer and why the other options are not appropriate. Customer-oriented development teams. Being customer-oriented is a crucial trait for effective development teams in Scrum. Here's why. Value focus. Customer orientation aligns the team's efforts with delivering value to the end users and stakeholders. Better products. Understanding customer needs leads to building products that better meet those needs. Agile principles. This trait aligns with Agile principles, which emphasize customer collaboration and responding to change. Complementary to other traits. Being customer-oriented complements the cross-functional and self-organizing nature of the team by providing a clear direction for their efforts. Why other options are incorrect. A. They should operate independently, without direct oversight from the product owner. While development teams are self-organizing, they still need to collaborate closely with the product owner, who provides vision and prioritizes the backlog. C. They should work as individuals rather than as a team. This contradicts the core Scrum principle of teamwork. Effective development teams collaborate and work together, not as isolated individuals. D. They should share expertise in the same discipline. This goes against the principle of cross-functionality. Effective development teams have diverse skills to handle various aspects of product development. Conclusion. An effective development team should be cross-functional, self-organizing, supportive, and customer-oriented. This combination of traits enables the team to deliver high-quality, valuable products that meet customer needs while working efficiently and collaboratively within the Scrum framework. Wrap-up. Fictional story, Skunkworks Spin Dynamics Breakdancing Power Moves Fundamentals Project. Project Overview. The Breakdancing Power Moves Fundamentals project by Skunkworks Spin Dynamics is designed to develop a comprehensive online training program. This program will focus on teaching aspiring b-boys and b-girls the essential power moves required for a dynamic 17-second opening sequence in breakdancing. The moves covered will include flare, elbow air flare, belly mill, one-arm halo Nike Air, and one-arm Hong 10 freeze Nike Air. The project will utilize Scrum to manage the development of this training program. Founders and key team members. Founders, DJ Spin Master, renowned breakdancer and DJ, bringing extensive industry experience. Lil Jesus Name, experienced project manager and breakdancing enthusiast, responsible for operational oversight and strategic planning. Key team members, Windmill Wizard, lead instructor with expertise in power moves. Flare Queen, head of curriculum development and senior instructor. Headspin Hero, platform development manager specializing in online education technology. Cam Crew, video production team responsible for creating instructional content. Community Chris, online community moderator ensuring engagement and support. Marketer Mike, marketing specialist focusing on outreach and promotion. Safety Sam, health safety advisor ensuring participant well-being. Legal Lucy, legal advisor handling compliance and contract matters. Financer Fred, budget controller overseeing financial planning and management. Detailed scenario examples with metrics, project initiation, kickoff meeting, date, May 1, 2024. Objective, define project scope, goals, and Scrum roles. Attendance, 10 team members, including founders and key team members. Sprint 1, Curriculum Development Objective, develop the curriculum for the Flare and Elbow Flare. Tasks, curriculum drafting, Flare Queen creates detailed lesson plans. Video shooting, Cam Crew films instructional videos. Platform setup, Headspin Hero integrates content into the learning platform. Metrics, curriculum completion, 80% of Flare and Elbow Flare lessons drafted. Video production, 60 minutes of footage captured. Platform integration, 50% of content uploaded. Sprint 2, Advanced Power Moves. Objective, develop lessons for Belly Mill, One Arm Halo Nike Air, and One Arm Hong 10 Freeze Nike Air. Tasks, curriculum expansion, Flare Queen updates the curriculum. Video editing, Cam Crew edits and finalizes videos. Testing, Community Chris conducts beta testing. Metrics, curriculum completion, 70% of Advanced Power Moves lessons drafted. Video production, 90 minutes of footage edited. Beta testing feedback, 85% positive feedback from beta testers. Sprint 3, finalization and launch preparation. Objective, finalize the course and prepare for launch. Tasks, final review, all team members review and refine content. Marketing campaign, marketer Mike launches the promotional campaign. Health safety check, Safety Sam ensures all safety protocols are in place. Metrics, course finalization, 100% of lessons and videos reviewed. Marketing reach, 5,000 potential users targeted. Safety compliance, 100% adherence to health and safety standards. Launch and post-launch, launch date, July 15, 2024. Metrics, enrollment numbers, 500 users enrolled within the first week. User feedback, 90% satisfaction rate in initial reviews. Community engagement, 100% increase in social media interactions and forum activity. Wrap up, the Skunkworks Spin Dynamics team has effectively used Scrum to manage the development of their Breakdancing Power Moves Fundamentals project. The Scrum framework has ensured transparency, inspection, and adaptation throughout the project. The team's commitment to Scrum values and their defined roles have led to a successful course launch, meeting their goals and delivering high-quality training to aspiring breakdancers. Congratulations to the Skunkworks Spin Dynamics team for their dedication and successful implementation of Scrum in this exciting project. Scrum Overview, Application. The project utilized Scrum as a framework to manage the development of the online training program. By choosing Scrum, the team followed a structured approach within the Agile methodology to organize and execute their project. Scrum Theory, Transparency, Application. The project ensured transparency by making all aspects of the development process visible to the team. This included regular updates on curriculum progress, video production, and platform development, allowing everyone to stay informed and aligned. Inspection, Application. The project employed regular check-ins to assess progress, such as sprint reviews and beta testing feedback. These inspections helped identify any issues early on, allowing the team to address them promptly. Adaptation, Application. Based on inspection findings, such as feedback from beta testers and internal reviews, the team adjusted their strategies. For example, they refined the curriculum and video content based on user feedback to improve the overall quality of the training program. Scrum Values, Commitment, Application. Team members, including DJ Spin Master and Lil Jesus Name, demonstrated commitment by dedicating themselves to achieving the project goals and ensuring the successful launch of the training program. Courage, Application. The team took on challenges such as creating complex power move tutorials and integrating them into the online platform. They tackled these challenges head-on, knowing they would push the boundaries of their expertise. Focus, Application. During each sprint, the team focused on specific objectives, such as developing curriculum content for the Flare and Elbow Flare, and ensured that all efforts were directed towards the goals of the Scrum team. Openness, Application. Team members were open about their progress and challenges. For instance, Community Chris facilitated open communication with beta testers to gather honest feedback, which was essential for making improvements. Respect, Application. The team respected each other's expertise and contributions. For example, Windmill Wizard's knowledge was crucial for accurate power move instruction, and Safety Sam's advice was valued for ensuring the training program was safe. Essential Scrum roles, Scrum Master, DJ Spin Master, Application. DJ Spin Master ensured that the Scrum process was followed and that the team built the product efficiently. He facilitated Scrum ceremonies, resolved impediments, and supported the team in adhering to Scrum principles. Product Owner, Lil Jesus Name, Application. Lil Jesus Name defined the product requirements, prioritized the product backlog, and ensured that the training program met the needs of aspiring B-boys and B-girls. He worked closely with the team to ensure they were building the right product. Development Team, including Windmill Wizard, Flare Queen, and others. Application. The development team built the training program according to the specified requirements and quality standards. They developed the curriculum, created instructional videos, and integrated content into the platform. Next steps, upcoming section focus. The next section will detail the implementation of Scrum practices and techniques, building on the foundation laid in the previous sections. The Skunkworks Spin Dynamics team will continue to use Scrum to guide their efforts in delivering the Breakdancing Power Moves Fundamentals training program effectively. Wrap up. The application of Scrum theory and roles in the Skunkworks Spin Dynamics project demonstrates how the framework facilitates structured project management. By adhering to Scrum values and roles, the team achieved their goals and successfully launched their training program. Detailed summary of Scrum theory and roles. Scrum overview. Scrum is a popular framework within the Agile methodology. Other Agile approaches include Kanban and Lean. Scrum theory, 3 pillars, transparency. All aspects of the process must be visible to those responsible for the outcome. Inspection, regularly check the progress of the project to detect any issues. Adaptation, adjust processes and strategies based on inspection findings to improve effectiveness. Scrum values, commitment, team members are dedicated to achieving goals. Courage, team members take on challenges and tackle difficult tasks. Focus, everyone focuses on the work of the sprint and the goals of the Scrum team. Openness, team members are open about their work and challenges. Respect, team members respect each other's contributions and expertise. Essential Scrum roles. Scrum Master ensures that the Scrum process is followed. Helps the team build the product efficiently and effectively. Product Owner defines the product requirements and prioritizes the backlog. Ensures that the team is building the right product. Development Team builds the product according to the requirements and quality standards. Ensures that the product is built correctly. Next steps. The upcoming section will focus on implementing Scrum practices and techniques. Congratulations on completing this section, and best of luck as you move forward. Question 1. Your Scrum team encounters an issue with the review process that delays feedback to the team. In order to improve the review process, they reduce the deliverables in each review cycle. Which pillar of Scrum does this describe? 1.A. Flexibility. B. Transparency. C. Malleability. D. Adaptation. The correct answer is D. Adaptation. This scenario describes the Scrum pillar of adaptation. Let's break down why this is the correct answer and explain the concept in more detail. Adaptation in Scrum. Adaptation is one of the 3 pillars of empirical process control in Scrum, alongside transparency and inspection. Here's why the scenario aligns with adaptation. Recognizing the issue, the team identified a problem with their review process that was causing delays in feedback. Making changes. In response to this issue, the team decided to reduce the deliverables in each review cycle. Improving the process. This change was made with the goal of improving the review process, demonstrating the team's willingness to adapt their practices. Continuous improvement. This action reflects the Scrum principle of continuous improvement, where teams regularly reflect on their processes and make adjustments to become more effective. Why other options are incorrect? A. Flexibility. While the team's action shows flexibility, this is not one of the 3 pillars of Scrum. B. Transparency. Transparency is about ensuring that significant aspects of the process are visible to those responsible for the outcome. While important, this scenario doesn't primarily demonstrate transparency. C. Malleability. This is not a Scrum pillar or principle. It's similar to flexibility but not a formal term used in Scrum. The 3 pillars of Scrum. For context, the 3 pillars of empirical process control in Scrum are transparency, ensuring significant aspects of the process are visible to those responsible for the outcome. Inspection. Scrum users must frequently inspect Scrum artifacts and progress toward a sprint goal to detect undesirable variances. Adaptation. If an inspector determines that one or more aspects of a process deviate outside acceptable limits, the process or the material being processed must be adjusted as soon as possible to minimize further deviation. The scenario clearly demonstrates the team's ability to adapt their process in response to a detected issue, making adaptation the correct pillar being described. 2. Question 2. Fill in the blank. A Scrum team should be blank, which means people with different skill sets in the organization work together to complete the project successfully. 1.A. Organized. B. Cross-functional. C. Decisive. D. Self-disciplined. The correct answer is B. Cross-functional. Explanation. A cross-functional Scrum team is composed of members with various skill sets and expertise, allowing them to collaborate effectively to complete the project successfully. This diversity enables the team to handle all aspects of product development, from design and coding to testing and deployment, without relying on external resources. Importance of cross-functionality. Collaboration. Team members can work together closely, share knowledge, and support each other in achieving common goals. Efficiency. With all necessary skills present within the team, work can progress more smoothly without waiting for outside assistance. Flexibility. Cross-functional teams can adapt to changing requirements and priorities more easily, as they have the capability to address various challenges internally. Improved quality. Collaboration among diverse skill sets often leads to better problem solving and higher quality outcomes. In summary, a Scrum team should be cross-functional to ensure that it can effectively deliver value throughout the project lifecycle. 3. Question 3. Scrum Masters should have which of the following skills? Select all that apply. 1.A. Leadership. B. Organization. C. Programming knowledge. D. Facilitation. The correct answers are A. Leadership. B. Organization. D. Facilitation. Explanation of skills for Scrum Masters. Leadership. Scrum Masters need strong leadership skills to guide the Scrum team and the organization in understanding and implementing Scrum practices. They inspire and motivate team members, fostering a collaborative environment. Organizational skills are essential for Scrum Masters to manage Scrum events, maintain transparency, and ensure that the team is focused and productive. They help organize meetings, track progress, and facilitate communication among team members and stakeholders. Facilitation skills are crucial for Scrum Masters, as they often lead Scrum events, like sprint planning, daily Scrums, sprint reviews, and retrospectives. They help ensure that these meetings are effective, focused, and result in actionable outcomes. Why programming knowledge is not required. C. Programming knowledge, while having some technical understanding can be beneficial, it is not a core requirement for a Scrum Master. Their primary role is to facilitate the Scrum process, coach the team, and remove impediments, rather than to contribute directly to the technical work of the development team. Scrum Masters do not need to be experts in programming or any specific technical domain. Conclusion. In summary, effective Scrum Masters should possess leadership, organization, and facilitation skills to successfully support their teams and promote the Scrum framework. Programming knowledge, while potentially helpful, is not a necessary skill for the role. 4. Question 4. What are some tasks product owners are responsible for? Select all that apply. 1.A. Ensure the product backlog is visible and transparent to all. B. Ensure the team builds the right product or service. C. Continuously maximize the value of the product delivered by the Scrum team. D. Deal with vendors and contract negotiations. The correct answers are A. Ensure the product backlog is visible and transparent to all. B. Ensure the team builds the right product or service. C. Continuously maximize the value of the product delivered by the Scrum team. Let's break down each of these responsibilities and explain why they are part of the product owner's role. A. Ensure the product backlog is visible and transparent to all. The product owner is responsible for managing the product backlog, which includes making it clear, accessible, and understood by all team members and stakeholders. Transparency is a key Scrum pillar, and the product backlog is a crucial artifact for communication and planning. By keeping the product backlog visible and transparent, the product owner facilitates better decision-making and alignment within the team and with stakeholders. B. Ensure the team builds the right product or service. The product owner represents the stakeholders and is the voice of the customer. They are responsible for defining and communicating the product vision. By prioritizing the product backlog and making decisions about what features or changes should be worked on next, the product owner guides the team towards building the right product that meets customer needs and business objectives. C. Continuously maximize the value of the product delivered by the Scrum team. This is one of the primary responsibilities of the product owner. They achieve this by carefully managing the product backlog, prioritizing items based on business value, risk, dependencies, and other factors. The product owner works closely with stakeholders and the development team to ensure that the highest value items are being worked on and delivered. Why option D is not correct. D. Deal with vendors and contract negotiations. While the product owner may be involved in some aspects of vendor relationships or contract discussions related to the product, this is not typically considered a core responsibility of the product owner role in Scrum. These tasks are often handled by other roles within the organization, such as procurement or legal departments. The product owner's focus should remain on maximizing product value and ensuring the right product is being built, rather than on administrative or legal tasks. In summary, the product owner's key responsibilities revolve around managing the product backlog, ensuring the right product is built, and maximizing the value delivered by the Scrum team. These tasks directly contribute to the success of the product and the effective implementation of Scrum. It is the responsibility of the Scrum Master to facilitate Scrum events which positively impact the team. Which of the following is an example of this? 1.A. Sprints. B. Introspectives. C. Retrospectives. D. Performance reviews. The correct answer is C. Retrospectives. Explanation. The Scrum Master is responsible for facilitating Scrum events, and one of the key events they facilitate is the Sprint Retrospective. Here's why this is the correct answer and what it entails. Retrospective's purpose. The Sprint Retrospective is held at the end of each sprint. Its purpose is to reflect on the past sprint and identify what went well, what didn't, and how the team can improve. Facilitation. The Scrum Master facilitates this meeting to ensure it is productive and focused on continuous improvement. They help the team discuss and agree on actionable steps to enhance their processes and collaboration. Impact. Effective retrospectives positively impact the team by fostering a culture of continuous improvement, open communication, and team cohesion. Why are their options are incorrect? A. Sprints. A sprint is a time-boxed period during which the Scrum team works to complete a set of product backlog items. While the Scrum Master supports the team during the sprint itself is not an event that the Scrum Master specifically facilitates. B. Introspectives. This term is not a standard Scrum event. The correct term for the reflective meeting at the end of a sprint is sprint retrospective. D. Performance reviews. Performance reviews are typically conducted by management or HR and are not part of the Scrum framework. They focus on individual performance rather than team processes and improvements. Conclusion. The Scrum Master facilitates the sprint retrospective to help the team reflect on their work and processes, identify areas for improvement, and implement changes that enhance their effectiveness. This event is crucial for fostering a culture of continuous improvement and collaboration within the Scrum team. 6. Question 6. What are the benefits of locating a team in the same physical space, also known as co-locating? Select all that apply. 1.A. The team gets together quickly to get work done or solve a problem. B. The team delivers a higher quality of work at a quicker rate. C. The team works across time zones by coordinating schedules. D. The team collaborates effectively over video conferencing platforms. The correct answers are A. The team gets together quickly to get work done or solve a problem. B. The team delivers a higher quality of work at a quicker rate. Let's break down the benefits of co-locating teams and explain why these options are correct. Benefits of co-locating teams. A. The team gets together quickly to get work done or solve a problem. Proximity allows for immediate face-to-face interactions. Team members can quickly gather for impromptu discussions or problem-solving sessions. This reduces delays in communication and decision-making. B. The team delivers a higher quality of work at a quicker rate. Direct, frequent communication often leads to fewer misunderstandings. Collaboration is more efficient when team members can easily share ideas and provide immediate feedback. Quick resolution of issues and questions can lead to faster progress and higher quality outcomes. Additional benefits, not listed in the options: enhanced team bonding and relationship building, easier sharing of tacit knowledge, more effective brainstorming and creative sessions, improve team synchronization and alignment. Why the other options are incorrect? C. The team works across time zones by coordinating schedules. This is actually a challenge of distributed teams, not a benefit of co-location. Co-located teams typically work in the same time zone. D. The team collaborates effectively over video conferencing platforms. While video conferencing is a useful tool for remote teams, it's not a primary benefit of co-location. Co-located teams primarily benefit from in-person interactions. Considerations: while co-location offers these benefits, it's important to note that many teams now work effectively in distributed or hybrid models. Modern collaboration tools and practices have evolved to support remote work, though co-location still offers unique advantages in terms of spontaneous interaction and team cohesion. In summary, co-locating teams primarily benefits quick problem-solving, efficient collaboration, and potentially higher quality and faster delivery of work. However, successful teams can also be built and maintained in distributed settings with the right tools and practices. 7. Question 7. What are the key characteristics of successful product owners? Select all that apply. 1. Optimistic. B. Customer-focused. C. Collaborative. D. Independent. The correct answers are B. Customer-focused. C. Collaborative. Explanation of key characteristics or successful product owners. Customer-focused. A successful product owner prioritizes understanding customer needs and ensuring that the product delivers value to its users. They act as the voice of the customer, gathering feedback and insights to guide product development. Collaborative. Collaboration is essential for a product owner, as they work closely with the Scrum team, stakeholders, and customers. They facilitate communication, ensure alignment on goals, and foster a shared understanding of the product vision and priorities. Why the other options are less relevant? A. Optimistic. While a positive attitude can be beneficial, being optimistic is not a defining characteristic of a successful product owner. The focus should be more on being realistic and pragmatic about product development and stakeholder expectations. D. Independent. Independence can be a double-edged sword. While a product owner needs to make decisions and prioritize the product backlog, they should also be engaged with the team and stakeholders. A successful product owner collaborates rather than operates in isolation, ensuring that they are aligned with the team and the business objectives. Conclusion. In summary, the key characteristics of successful product owners include being customer-focused and collaborative. These traits enable them to effectively manage the product backlog, prioritize work based on customer value, and work harmoniously with the Scrum team and stakeholders to achieve the product vision. 8. Question 8. Team member runs into an issue within a project but they aren't sure how to fix it. They share this problem with the team to ensure everyone is aware of the challenge they encountered. What core Scrum value is embodied in this scenario? 1.A. Openness. B. Respect. C. Focus. D. Commitment. The correct answer is A. Openness. Explanation: in this scenario, the team member shares their issue with the team to ensure everyone is aware of the challenge they encountered. This behavior embodies the core Scrum value of openness. Here's why. Transparency. Openness encourages team members to share information, challenges, and progress openly. By discussing the problem, the team member is being transparent about their work and the obstacles they face. Collaboration. Openness fosters a collaborative environment where team members feel safe to express concerns and seek help. This can lead to collective problem-solving and support from other team members. Continuous improvement. By sharing challenges, the team can learn from each other and improve their processes, which aligns with the Scrum principle of continuous improvement. Why the other options are less relevant? B. Respect. While respect is important in a team environment, this scenario specifically highlights the act of sharing information, which is more directly related to openness. C. Focus. Focus refers to the team's ability to concentrate on the work at hand. While important, it is not the primary value demonstrated in this scenario. D. Commitment. Commitment relates to the dedication of team members to achieving the goals of the sprint and the project. While the team members' willingness to share their issue shows a commitment to transparency, the core value being exemplified here is openness. Conclusion. In summary, the core Scrum value embodied in this scenario is openness, as the team member is transparently sharing their challenge with the team, fostering a supportive and collaborative environment. 9. Question 9. A development team wants to become more effective. They have a tendency to work as individuals even when a team member is stuck on a task. What rate should they improve upon as a team? 1.A. Supportive. B. Cross-functional. C. Self-organizing. D. Customer-oriented. The correct answer is A. Supportive. Explanation: in this scenario, the development team tends to work as individuals and does not provide assistance when a team member is stuck on a task. To become more effective, they should improve upon being supportive. Here's why. Collaboration. A supportive team environment encourages collaboration and teamwork. When team members help each other, it fosters a sense of unity and collective responsibility for the project's success. Problem solving. Supportive teams can address issues more quickly and effectively. When a team member is stuck, others can offer their expertise and perspectives to help resolve the problem. Morale and motivation. Supportive teams tend to have higher morale and motivation. Knowing that they can rely on their teammates for help can reduce stress and increase job satisfaction. Why the other options are less relevant? B. Cross-functional. While being cross-functional is important for a development team, it refers to having a diverse set of skills within the team to handle various aspects of the project. It does not directly address the issue of team members not supporting each other. C. Self-organizing. Self-organizing teams decide how best to accomplish their work without being directed by others. While this is a crucial trait, the specific issue here is the lack of support among team members, which is more about team dynamics than self-organization. D. Customer-oriented. Being customer-oriented means focusing on delivering value to the customer. While important, this trait does not directly address the internal team dynamics and the need for mutual support. Conclusion: to become more effective, the development team should focus on being supportive. This involves fostering a collaborative environment where team members help each other, share knowledge, and work together to overcome challenges. This trait will enhance teamwork, improve problem solving, and contribute to the overall success of the project. 10. Question 10. Fill in the blank. A product owner and project manager typically both have the responsibility of blank. 1.A. Stakeholder management. B. Time box management. C. Team performance management. D. Cross-functional team management. The correct answer is A. Stakeholder management. Explanation: both a product owner and a project manager share the responsibility of stakeholder management. Here's why this is the most appropriate choice. Stakeholder engagement. Both roles involve interacting with stakeholders to understand their needs, expectations, and feedback. They must ensure that stakeholder interests are represented and addressed throughout the project or product development process. Communication. Effective communication with stakeholders is crucial for both roles. They need to keep stakeholders informed about progress, changes, and any issues that may arise. Alignment. Both the product owner and project manager work to align the project or product goals with stakeholder expectations, ensuring that the final deliverable meets the needs of those involved. Why the other options are less relevant? B. Time box management. Time box management is primarily a responsibility of the Scrum team and the Scrum Master in the context of Scrum. While project managers may manage timelines, this is not a shared responsibility with product owners. C. Team performance management. This is typically more aligned with the role of the Scrum Master or team leads, who focus on facilitating team dynamics and performance. The product owner is more focused on the product and stakeholder needs. D. Cross-functional team management. While both roles may work with cross-functional teams, the management of such teams is usually more directly associated with project managers. The product owner focuses on the product vision and backlog rather than managing the team structure. Conclusion. In summary, the shared responsibility of stakeholder management highlights the importance of both the product owner and project manager in engaging with stakeholders to ensure their needs and expectations are met throughout the project or product development lifecycle. Adaptation in Scrum. Adaptation is one of the 3 pillars of empirical process control in Scrum, alongside transparency and inspection. Here's why the scenario aligns with adaptation. Recognizing the issue, the team identified a problem with their review process that was causing delays in feedback. Making changes. In response to this issue, the team decided to reduce the deliverables in each review cycle. Improving the process. This change was made with the goal of improving the review process, demonstrating the team's willingness to adapt their practices. Continuous improvement. This action reflects the Scrum principle of continuous improvement, where teams regularly reflect on their processes and make adjustments to become more effective. Fictional scenario examples with numerical metrics. Scenario: improving feedback cycles situation. The Skunkworks team faced delays in receiving feedback on their instructional videos due to an overwhelming number of deliverables in each review cycle. To address this issue, they decided to reduce the number of deliverables reviewed per cycle from 10 to 5. Metrics: previous review cycle duration, 4 weeks. Revised review cycle duration, 2 weeks. Feedback delay reduction, 50%. Goal: achieve faster feedback and improve content quality by reducing review delays. Scenario: curriculum optimization situation. Flare Queen noticed that the initial curriculum was too broad and lacked depth. She proposed a focused curriculum emphasizing 5 key power moves, each with extended practice time. Metrics: original curriculum, 8 moves, 1 week per move. Revised curriculum, 5 moves, 2 weeks per move. Extended practice time, 1 additional week per move. Goal: increase learner mastery and performance by focusing on fewer moves with deeper training, aiming for a 25% improvement in learner performance. Scenario: enhancing platform functionality situation. Headspin Hero identified usability issues with the online training platform. To improve user experience, he introduced new features and streamlined the interface. Metrics: previous user complaints, 60 per month. Feature implementation time, 6 weeks. Post-implementation complaints, reduced to 20 per month. Goal: improve user experience by reducing complaints by 67%. Scenario: marketing campaign effectiveness situation. Marketer Mike launched a targeted social media campaign to promote the new training program. He used analytics to measure the campaign's effectiveness. Metrics: initial campaign reach, 10,000 potential customers. Targeted campaign reach, 50,000 potential customers. Conversion rate increase, from 2% to 5%. Goal: achieve a 150% increase in reach and conversion rate to boost enrollments. Scenario: safety and compliance updates situation. Safety SAM updated the safety guidelines and compliance measures to address new regulations. This was done to ensure participant well-being and regulatory compliance. Metrics: previous safety incidents, 5 per quarter. Guidelines implementation time, 3 weeks. Post-implementation incidents, reduced to 1 per quarter. Goal: achieve an 80% reduction in safety incidents. Lessons and application of Scrum pillars. Adaptation. Scenario example: reducing deliverables in review cycles to improve feedback. Explanation: the team identified a problem and made changes to their process to adapt and improve effectiveness. Transparency. Scenario example: ensuring all safety and compliance updates are communicated clearly to the team. Explanation: keeping the team informed about new guidelines and their implications. Inspection. Scenario example: regular review of user complaints and feedback to identify issues with the platform. Explanation: continuously checking progress and user experience to detect and address problems. Commitment. Scenario example: the team's dedication to refining the curriculum and improving training quality. Explanation: commitment to enhancing the program's effectiveness and learner outcomes. By incorporating these principles into the project, the Skunkworks Spin Dynamics team demonstrates how Scrum concepts can drive continuous improvement and success in developing a high-quality breakdancing training program. Explanation: a cross-functional Scrum team is composed of members with various skill sets and expertise, allowing them to collaborate effectively to complete the project successfully. This diversity enables the team to handle all aspects of product development, from design and coding to testing and deployment, without relying on external resources. Importance of cross-functionality collaboration. Team members can work together closely, share knowledge, and support each other in achieving common goals. Efficiency. With all necessary skills present within the team, work can progress more smoothly without waiting for outside assistance. Flexibility. Cross-functional teams can adapt to changing requirements and priorities more easily, as they have the capability to address various challenges internally. Improved quality, collaboration among diverse skill sets often leads to better problem-solving and higher quality outcomes. In summary, a Scrum team should be cross-functional to ensure that it can effectively deliver value throughout the project lifecycle. 3a. Leadership B. Organization D. Facilitation. Explanation of skills for Scrum Masters. Leadership. Scrum Masters need strong leadership skills to guide the Scrum team and the organization in understanding and implementing Scrum practices. They inspire and motivate team members, fostering a collaborative environment. Organizational skills are essential for Scrum Masters to manage Scrum events, maintain transparency, and ensure that the team is focused and productive. They help organize meetings, track progress, and facilitate communication among team members and stakeholders. Facilitation skills are crucial for Scrum Masters, as they often lead Scrum events, like sprint planning, daily Scrums, sprint reviews, and retrospectives. They help ensure that these meetings are effective, focused, and result in actionable outcomes. Fictional scenario examples with measurable metrics. Scenario: cross-functional team collaboration situation. The team faces challenges integrating video content with a new online platform. To address this, DJ Spin Master and Lil Jesus Name organize a cross-functional workshop involving Cam Crew, Headspin Hero, and Flare Queen. Metrics: workshop duration, 2 days. Issues resolved, 8 integration issues identified and resolved. Platform usability improvement, user complaints reduced by 40%. Goal: enhance platform integration and collaboration effectiveness, aiming for a 30% increase in user satisfaction. Scenario: leadership in curriculum development situation. Flare Queen is tasked with leading the development of a new curriculum module on the Elbow Flare. She uses her leadership skills to guide the team through brainstorming and prototyping. Metrics: development time, 3 weeks. Curriculum completion rate, 100% of planned content delivered on time. Learner performance increase, 20% improvement in Elbow Flare proficiency as measured by pre- and post-training assessments. Goal: ensure high-quality curriculum delivery and improved learner outcomes. Scenario: organizational skills for Scrum events situation. Lil Jesus Name oversees the coordination of Scrum events, including sprint planning and retrospectives. Efficient organization ensures that these events run smoothly and contribute to project progress. Metrics: sprint planning duration, reduced from 4 hours to 2 hours. Sprint retrospective action items implemented, 85% of action items completed within the following sprint. Team productivity increase, 15% improvement in task completion rate. Goal: enhance Scrum event efficiency and project productivity. Scenario: facilitation of effective Scrum events situation. Headspin Hero uses facilitation skills to lead a sprint review meeting, ensuring that feedback is gathered effectively and actionable steps are identified. Metrics: sprint review duration, 1.5 hours. Actionable feedback collected, 10 actionable items documented. Stakeholder satisfaction score, 90% positive feedback from stakeholders. Goal: improve the effectiveness of sprint reviews and stakeholder engagement. Scenario: marketing campaign for program launch situation. Marketer Mike launches a targeted social media campaign to promote the Power Moves Fundamentals program. He measures the campaign's success through various metrics. Metrics: campaign reach, 75,000 potential customers. Conversion rate, increased from 2% to 6%. New enrollments, 500 new students enrolled within the first month. Goal: achieve a significant increase in reach and enrollment through effective marketing. Scenario: ensuring safety and compliance situation. Safety SAM updates training guidelines to meet new safety regulations. The updates are communicated and implemented to ensure the safety of all participants. Metrics: guidelines implementation time, 4 weeks. Pre-update safety incidents, 3 per quarter. Post-update safety incidents, reduced to 1 per quarter. Goal: achieve an 80% reduction in safety incidents and ensure compliance with new regulations. Lessons and application of Scrum pillars. Cross-functionality. Scenario example: cross-functional team collaboration to solve integration issues. Explanation: the team members with diverse skills work together to address challenges, reflecting the importance of a cross-functional team. Leadership. Scenario example: Flare Queen leading the curriculum development process. Explanation: strong leadership drives successful project outcomes and team motivation. Organization. Scenario example: efficient coordination of Scrum events by Lil Jesus Name. Explanation: organizational skills are crucial for managing Scrum processes and maintaining team focus. Facilitation. Scenario example: Headspin Hero facilitating the sprint review meeting. Explanation: facilitation skills ensure that Scrum events are productive and lead to actionable outcomes. By incorporating these principles into the project, The Skunkworks Spin Dynamics team effectively demonstrates how Scrum concepts can drive successful development and delivery of their breakdancing training program. 4. The correct answers are: A. Ensure the product backlog is visible and transparent to all. B. Ensure the team builds the right product or service. C. Continuously maximize the value of the product delivered by the Scrum team. Let's break down each of these responsibilities and explain why they are part of the product owner's role. A. Ensure the product backlog is visible and transparent to all. The product owner is responsible for managing the product backlog, which includes making it clear, accessible, and understood by all team members and stakeholders. Transparency is a key Scrum pillar, and the product backlog is a crucial artifact for communication and planning. By keeping the product backlog visible and transparent, the product owner facilitates better decision-making and alignment within the team and with stakeholders. B. Ensure the team builds the right product or service. The product owner represents the stakeholders and is the voice of the customer. They are responsible for defining and communicating the product vision. By prioritizing the product backlog and making decisions about what features or changes should be worked on next, the product owner guides the team towards building the right product that meets customer needs and business objectives. C. Continuously maximize the value of the product delivered by the Scrum team. This is one of the primary responsibilities of the product owner. They achieve this by carefully managing the product backlog, prioritizing items based on business value, risk, dependencies, and other factors. The product owner works closely with stakeholders and the development team to ensure that the highest value items are being worked on and delivered. Scenario 1. Transparency in product backlog management situation. Flair Queen, the head of curriculum development, is updating the product backlog to reflect new feedback from the first batch of students. She ensures that the backlog is visible and transparent to all team members. Metrics: backlog updates frequency, weekly. Feedback implementation rate: 90% of feedback items addressed within 2 sprints. Team awareness: 100% of team members confirm understanding of backlog priorities through surveys. Goal: enhance transparency and alignment by ensuring clear visibility of the product backlog and its updates. Scenario 2. Building the right product situation. DJ Spin Master and Lil Jesus Name review the product backlog to prioritize features based on recent user feedback and business goals. They work to ensure that the development focuses on features that align with the customer's needs. Metrics: customer satisfaction score, increased from 70% to 85% after implementing prioritized features. Feature implementation accuracy: 95% alignment with customer feedback. Stakeholder engagement: 80% positive feedback from stakeholder reviews. Goal: ensure that the Scrum team builds features that meet customer expectations and deliver business value. Scenario 3. Maximizing product value situation. Lil Jesus Name, with the assistance of Windmill Wizard, adjusts the product backlog to focus on the highest value power moves based on user feedback and the market trends. Metrics: value-driven prioritization: 75% of high-value items delivered within the first 3 sprints. Return on investment, ROI, increased by 20% due to high-value feature delivery. User engagement metrics: 30% increase in user engagement with the new power moves content. Goal: continuously maximize the value of the product delivered by aligning the backlog with business priorities and user needs. Scenario 4. Facilitating effective Scrum events situation. Headspin Hero facilitates the sprint planning meeting to ensure that the team focuses on high-priority tasks and sets clear goals for the upcoming sprint. Metrics: sprint planning duration, reduced from 3 hours to 1.5 hours. Sprint goal clarity: 100% of team members report a clear understanding of sprint goals. Actionable sprint backlog items: 90% of items completed by the end of the sprint. Goal: improve the efficiency and effectiveness of Scrum events, ensuring that team members are aligned with sprint goals. Scenario 5. Marketing and outreach situation. Marketer Mike launches a targeted social media campaign to promote the Power Moves Fundamentals program. He tracks the campaign's success to gauge its impact. Metrics: campaign reach: 100,000 potential customers. Conversion rate: increased from 2% to 8% due to targeted marketing. Enrollment numbers: 700 new students enrolled within the first month. Goal: achieve significant reach and conversion rates through effective marketing strategies. Scenario 6. Ensuring safety and compliance situation. Safety Sum updates the training program's safety guidelines to comply with new regulations. These updates are implemented and communicated to ensure participant safety. Metrics: guidelines update time: 3 weeks. Pre-update safety incidents, reduced from 4 to 1 per quarter. Compliance check success rate: 100% compliance with new regulations. Goal: ensure participant safety and regulatory compliance through updated guidelines. Lessons and application of Scrum responsibilities: ensure the product backlog is visible and transparent. Scenario example: Flair Queen's management of the product backlog. Explanation: transparency in the backlog helps the team align and make informed decisions. ensure the team builds the right product or service. Scenario example, DJ Spin Master and Lil Jesus name prioritizing features based on feedback. Explanation, the product owner guides the team to deliver features that meet customer needs and business objectives. Continuously maximize the value of the product delivered. Scenario example, adjusting the backlog to focus on high-value power moves. Explanation, the product owner ensures that the team delivers the highest value items first, aligning with business and user priorities. By applying these principles and responsibilities, the Skunkworks Spin Dynamics team effectively manages their breakdancing training program, demonstrating how Scrum practices contribute to successful project outcomes. 5. Retrospectives. Explanation. The Scrum Master is responsible for facilitating Scrum events, and one of the key events they facilitate is the Sprint Retrospective. Here's why this is the correct answer and what it entails. Retrospective's purpose. The Sprint Retrospective is held at the end of each sprint. Its purpose is to reflect on the past sprint and identify what went well, what didn't, and how the team can improve. Facilitation. The Scrum Master facilitates this meeting to ensure it is productive and focused on continuous improvement. They help the team discuss and agree on actionable steps to enhance their processes and collaboration. Impact. Effective retrospectives positively impact the team by fostering a culture of continuous improvement, open communication, and team cohesion. Scenario 1. Sprint retrospective. For continuous improvement situation. After the second sprint, the team holds a sprint retrospective to evaluate their performance. The meeting is facilitated by the Scrum Master, head Spin Hero, to ensure the team reflects on what went well, what didn't, and how to improve. Metrics. Meeting duration, reduced from 90 minutes to 60 minutes. Action items, 5 actionable improvements identified and assigned. Implementation rate, 80% of retrospective action items completed by the next sprint. Team satisfaction score, increased from 70% to 85% regarding the effectiveness of retrospectives. Goal, enhance team performance by implementing actionable improvements identified during retrospectives. Scenario 2, transparency in backlog management situation. Flare Queen updates the product backlog to include new insights from the latest sprint retrospective. She ensures that all team members have visibility into the updated backlog and understand the new priorities. Metrics, backlog update time, 2 days after sprint retrospective. Visibility, 100% of team members access the updated backlog within 24 hours. Feedback accuracy, 90% of team members confirm that their feedback was accurately reflected in the backlog. Goal, maintain transparency and alignment by promptly updating and communicating changes in the product backlog. Scenario 3, effective team collaboration situation. The team implements new collaborative tools suggested during the sprint retrospective. Windmill Wizard leads the training session on these tools to improve teamwork and communication. Metrics, tool adoption rate, 100% of team members use the new tools within 1 week. Collaboration efficiency, 30% increase in the speed of task completion due to improved communication. Team collaboration score, 20% increase in positive feedback from team members regarding collaboration. Goal, foster effective teamwork and communication by adopting and integrating new tools. Scenario 4, marketing campaign results situation. Marketer Mike evaluates the success of the latest marketing campaign, which was designed based on feedback from the previous sprint retrospective. He tracks the campaign's effectiveness in attracting new users. Metrics, campaign reach, 120,000 potential customers. Conversion rate, increased from 3% to 10% due to targeted improvements. New enrollments, 800 new students within the first month. Goal, achieve significant reach and conversion improvements through optimized marketing strategies. Scenario 5, ensuring compliance and safety situation. Safety Sum updates the training program's safety protocols following recommendations from the sprint retrospective. She ensures that these updates are communicated and implemented across all training sessions. Metrics, protocol update time, 1 week after sprint retrospective. Compliance rate, 100% of training sessions adhere to updated safety protocols. Incident reduction, safety incidents reduced from 5 to 1 per quarter. Goal, ensure participant safety and compliance with updated protocols through timely implementation. Scenario 6, financial management situation. Financer Fred reviews the project budget and adjusts financial plans based on feedback from the sprint retrospective. He ensures that the updated budget reflects the project's current needs and priorities. Metrics, budget revision time, 3 days after sprint retrospective. Budget accuracy, 95% alignment with updated project requirements. Financial efficiency, 15% reduction in unplanned expenses. Goal, maintain financial control and efficiency by adapting the budget to reflect project changes and feedback. Lessons and application of Scrum responsibilities, sprint retrospectives facilitation. Scenario example, Headspin Hero facilitating the sprint retrospective. Explanation, effective facilitation of retrospectives helps teams reflect on their performance, identify improvements, and implement actionable changes. Transparency in backlog management. Scenario example, Flare Queen updating and communicating changes in the product backlog. Explanation. Transparency in backlog management ensures that all team members are aligned and informed about priorities and changes. Continuous improvement. Scenario example, implementing improvements from the sprint retrospective. Explanation. Continuous improvement through retrospectives helps teams enhance their processes, collaboration, and overall effectiveness. By integrating these principles and practices, the Skunkworks Spin Dynamics team can achieve ongoing success in their breakdancing training program and maintain a focus on continuous improvement and effective collaboration. 6. The team gets together quickly to get work done or solve a problem. B. The team delivers a higher quality of work at a quicker rate. Let's break down the benefits of co-locating teams and explain why these options are correct. Benefits of co-locating teams. A. The team gets together quickly to get work done or solve a problem. Proximity allows for immediate face-to-face interactions. Team members can quickly gather for impromptu discussions or problem-solving sessions. This reduces delays in communication and decision-making. B. The team delivers a higher quality of work at a quicker rate. Direct, frequent communication often leads to fewer misunderstandings. Collaboration is more efficient when team members can easily share ideas and provide immediate feedback. Quick resolution of issues and questions can lead to faster progress and higher quality outcomes. Additional benefits, not listed in the options: enhanced team bonding and relationship building, easier sharing of tacit knowledge, more effective brainstorming and creative sessions, improve team synchronization and alignment. Scenario 1, immediate problem-solving situation. During a live session, the team encounters an unexpected technical issue with a training platform. Team members, co-located in the same space, quickly gather in a meeting room to resolve the problem. Metrics, response time, issue addressed within 10 minutes of occurrence. Resolution time, problem resolved within 30 minutes. Downtime, reduced from 2 hours to 30 minutes. Goal, ensure rapid problem solving and minimize disruption by leveraging co-location for immediate collaboration. Scenario 2, enhanced quality and speed of work situation. The cam crew, working from a co-located space, collaborates directly with Windmill Wizard to film and edit a new power move tutorial. The close proximity allows for real-time feedback and adjustments. Metrics, video production time, reduced from 5 days to 3 days per tutorial. Quality score, improved from 4.2 to 4.8 out of 5 based on viewer ratings. Feedback integration time, reduced from 2 days to 1 day. Goal, achieve higher quality video content and faster production cycles through effective co-located teamwork. Scenario 3, effective brainstorming and collaboration situation. The team conducts a brainstorming session to develop new instructional content. Being in the same physical space allows for spontaneous idea sharing and creative discussions. Metrics, idea generation, 15 new content ideas developed in a 2-hour session. Implementation rate, 80% of brainstormed ideas are turned into actionable content. Participant engagement, 100% of team members actively contribute to the session. Goal, enhance creativity and collaboration by using co-location to facilitate effective brainstorming. Scenario 4, streamlined curriculum development situation. Flare Queen and Headspin Hero work together in the office to finalize the curriculum for the Power Moves training program. Their proximity allows them to make immediate adjustments and finalize details. Metrics, curriculum completion time, reduced from 4 weeks to 2 weeks. Revision time, decreased from 1 week to 3 days. Quality score, increased from 4.0 to 4.7 out of 5 based on user feedback. Goal, accelerate curriculum development and improve quality through efficient co-located collaboration. Scenario 5, improved safety and compliance situation. Safety Sam conducts a training session on new safety protocols with the entire team. Co-locating allows for immediate cue and hands-on demonstrations. Metrics, protocol adoption rate, 100% compliance within 1 week. Safety incident reduction, incidents reduced from 4 to 1 per month. Training effectiveness score, increased from 75% to 90% based on post-training assessments. Goal, ensure comprehensive understanding and implementation of safety protocols through direct, hands-on training. Lessons and application of benefits, immediate problem solving. Scenario example, quick resolution of a technical issue during a live session. Explanation, co-location enables rapid assembly of team members to address and resolve problems efficiently. Enhanced quality and speed. Scenario example, faster production and improved quality of instructional videos. Explanation, direct collaboration allows for real-time feedback and adjustments, leading to higher quality and quicker turnaround. Effective collaboration. Scenario example, productive brainstorming sessions and effective curriculum development. Explanation, physical proximity facilitates spontaneous idea sharing, efficient teamwork, and faster decision-making. Streamlined development. Scenario example, accelerated curriculum finalization. Explanation, Co-locating team members speeds up processes and improves the quality of outcomes through immediate collaboration. By applying these principles and leveraging the benefits of co-location, the Skunkworks Spin Dynamics team can enhance their project outcomes and maintain high levels of efficiency and quality throughout their breakdancing training program. 7. Customer-focused C. Collaborative explanation of key characteristics or successful product owners. Customer-focused. A successful product owner prioritizes understanding customer needs and ensuring that the product delivers value to its users. They act as the voice of the customer, gathering feedback and insights to guide product development. Collaborative collaboration is essential for a product owner, as they work closely with the Scrum team, stakeholders, and customers. They facilitate communication, ensure alignment on goals, and foster a shared understanding of the product vision and priorities. Scenario 1, Customer-Focused Development Situation. The team collects feedback from early beta testers of the Power Moves training program. This feedback includes insights on the clarity of instructions, effectiveness of the tutorials, and the overall learning experience. Metrics, feedback collection, 150 responses gathered in the first 2 weeks. Improvement implementation, 85% of suggested improvements integrated into the curriculum. User satisfaction score, increased from 3.8 to 4.6 out of 5 after improvements. Goal, ensure that the training program meets the needs and expectations of users by actively incorporating their feedback into the product. Scenario 2, Collaborative Content Creation Situation. Windmill Wizard and Flare Queen collaborate on developing a new tutorial for the One-Arm Halo Nike Air. They work together in the office to ensure that the instructional content is accurate, engaging, and aligned with the learning objectives. Metrics, content development time, reduced from 5 days to 3 days per tutorial. Quality review score, improved from 4.0 to 4.8 out of 5 based on internal reviews. Student engagement rate, increased by 25% for the new tutorial. Goal, foster effective collaboration between team members to produce high-quality instructional content quickly and efficiently. Scenario 3, Enhancing Community Engagement Situation. Community Chris implements new engagement strategies in the online forum to increase interaction and support among students. Strategies include live Q&A sessions with instructors and interactive challenges. Metrics, forum activity increase, 50% increase in daily posts and interactions. Student participation in challenges, 70% of active students participate in monthly challenges. Community satisfaction score, increased from 4.2 to 4.7 out of 5. Goal, enhance the sense of community and support among students by fostering active engagement and interaction. Scenario 4, Streamlined Marketing and Outreach Situation. Marketer Mike launches a targeted marketing campaign to attract new students to the Power Moves training program. The campaign includes social media ads, influencer partnerships, and promotional events. Metrics, campaign reach, 200,000 impressions across social media platforms. Conversion rate, increased by 15% from 2.5% to 2.9% of website visitors signing up for the program. Cost per acquisition, reduced from $25 to $20. Goal, increase program visibility and attract new students through effective marketing strategies. Scenario 5, Ensuring Health and Safety Situation. Safety SAM conducts a comprehensive review of all training materials and exercises to ensure they adhere to the highest safety standards. This includes evaluating physical movements and providing safety guidelines for students. Metrics, safety incident rate, reduced from 3 incidents per month to 1. Compliance score, achieved a 100% compliance rate with safety guidelines. Training effectiveness rating, increased from 80% to 95% based on post-training surveys. Goal, prioritize participant safety and well-being by ensuring all training materials and exercises meet stringent safety standards. Lessons and application of key characteristics. Customer-focused development. Scenario example, integrating user feedback to enhance the program. Explanation, ensuring that the product aligns with customer needs and expectations through continuous feedback and improvements. Collaborative content creation. Scenario example, effective teamwork between instructors to develop high-quality tutorials. Explanation, successful product owners foster collaboration within the team to produce better outcomes and ensure alignment with the product vision. Community engagement. Scenario example, increasing interaction and support through forum engagement strategies. Explanation, collaboration with the community and fostering engagement are key for creating a supportive and active user base. By applying these principles and focusing on customer needs and collaboration, the Skunkworks Spin Dynamics team can create a high-quality and effective breakdancing training program that meets the expectations of aspiring dancers and supports their journey in mastering essential power moves. 8. Openness. Explanation. In this scenario, the team member shares their issue with the team to ensure everyone is aware of the challenge they encountered. This behavior embodies the core Scrum value of openness. Here's why. Transparency. Openness encourages team members to share information, challenges, and progress openly. By discussing the problem, the team member is being transparent about their work and the obstacles they face. Collaboration. Openness fosters a collaborative environment where team members feel safe to express concerns and seek help. This can lead to collective problem-solving and support from other team members. Continuous improvement. By sharing challenges, the team can learn from each other and improve their processes, which aligns with the Scrum principle of continuous improvement. Scenario. Facing challenges in the tutorial production situation. During the production of a tutorial video for the one-arm Halo Nike Air, Windmill Wizard encounters a technical issue with the recording equipment. The video footage is not capturing the complex movements clearly, which could affect the quality of the instructional content. Windmill Wizard, adhering to the Scrum value of openness, immediately shares this challenge with the team in their daily stand-up meeting. Details. Problem identified. Poor video quality due to technical issues with recording equipment. Team response. Windmill Wizard describes the specific problems faced, such as unclear footage and issues with capturing intricate movements. Team collaboration. Cam crew quickly joins the discussion to diagnose the technical issues. They collaborate with Windmill Wizard to find a solution and suggest adjustments to the equipment and settings. Actions taken. Technical review. Cam crew performs a detailed review of the recording setup and makes necessary adjustments to improve video clarity. Re-recording. Windmill Wizard schedules a new recording session with improved equipment settings and additional support from the cam crew to ensure the tutorial meets high-quality standards. Feedback loop. During the re-recording session, Community Chris is involved to test the new footage and ensure it meets the expectations of the target audience. Measurable metrics. Resolution improvement. Video clarity improved by 40%, as measured by resolution and feedback from initial test users. Quality score. Post-improvement tutorial quality rating increased from 3.5 to 4.8 out of 5 based on user feedback. Issue resolution time. Technical issue resolved and re-recording completed within 3 days of initial problem identification. User engagement. Increased user engagement by 20% due to higher quality content. Lessons learned and application of openness. Transparency. Windmill Wizard's openness about the technical problem allowed the team to address the issue promptly. Sharing the problem ensured that everyone was aware of the challenge and could contribute to finding a solution. Collaboration. The collaborative approach led to effective problem solving, with cam crew providing the necessary technical support and adjustments. Continuous improvement. By addressing the issue openly, the team was able to improve the quality of the tutorial, aligning with the Scrum principle of continuous improvement. Outcome. The willingness to be open about challenges and collaborate on solutions resulted in a higher quality tutorial and enhanced overall project efficiency. The team's ability to share issues and work together contributed to the successful delivery of an engaging and effective training program for aspiring breakdancers. In this fictional scenario, the value of openness demonstrates how transparency and collaboration can lead to better problem-solving and improved project outcomes. By embracing openness, the Skunkworks Spin Dynamics team effectively overcame challenges and delivered a high-quality product to their audience. 9. Supportive. Explanation. In this scenario, the development team tends to work as individuals and does not provide assistance when a team member is stuck on a task. To become more effective, they should improve upon being supportive. Here's why. Collaboration. A supportive team environment encourages collaboration and teamwork. When team members help each other, it fosters a sense of unity and collective responsibility for the project's success. Problem solving. Supportive teams can address issues more quickly and effectively. When a team member is stuck, others can offer their expertise and perspectives to help resolve the problem. Morale and motivation. Supportive teams tend to have higher morale and motivation. Knowing that they can rely on their teammates for help can reduce stress and increase job satisfaction. Scenario. Overcoming challenges in the tutorial production situation. While producing the tutorial video for the belly mill, Flare Queen, the head of curriculum development, faces difficulty demonstrating the move's intricate footwork. She becomes frustrated as the initial attempts to capture the move do not convey the technique clearly. Noticing Flare Queen's struggle, the team realizes they need to improve their supportiveness to enhance overall effectiveness. Details. Problem identified. Difficulty in capturing the belly mill move accurately due to unclear footwork in the video. Team members' feelings. Flare Queen feels stuck and frustrated, affecting her morale and productivity. Actions taken to improve supportiveness. Team meeting. Discussion. The team convenes to discuss the problem and brainstorm solutions. Each member offers their perspective on how to address the issue. Support offered. Windmill Wizard shares his experience with similar moves and suggests new techniques for demonstrating footwork more clearly. Collaborative solutions. Assistance. Headspin Hero adjusts the camera angles and lighting to enhance visibility of the footwork. Cam crew helps with additional filming techniques. Pair work. Flare Queen collaborates with Windmill Wizard in practice sessions to perfect the move's execution. Feedback and adjustment. Peer review. Community Chris and cam crew review the updated footage and provide feedback. They suggest minor adjustments to improve clarity. Re-recording. The team schedules another recording session with the new adjustments and supportive techniques in place. Ongoing support, encouragement. Throughout the process, the team maintains positive communication and encouragement, boosting Flare Queen's morale. Regular check-ins. The team establishes regular check-ins to ensure that all members feel supported and to address any future challenges collaboratively. Measurable metrics, resolution time, issue resolved and new footage captured within 2 days of identifying the problem. Quality improvement. Tutorial quality rating improved from 3.8 to 4.9 out of 5 based on user feedback. Team satisfaction. Team satisfaction score increased by 30% due to enhanced support and collaboration. Efficiency gains. Time to complete the tutorial production cycle reduced by 15% due to improved teamwork and support. Lessons learned and application of supportiveness, collaboration. The supportive environment led to effective problem solving as team members combined their expertise and perspectives. Morale and motivation. Increased support from the team improved Flare Queen's morale, leading to higher quality work and more productive sessions. Enhanced efficiency. By working together and offering assistance, the team completed the project more efficiently and with better results. Outcome. The Skunkworks Spin Dynamics team's focus on supportiveness enabled them to overcome production challenges effectively. This collaborative approach not only improved the quality of the tutorial but also fostered a positive and productive team environment. By embracing supportiveness, the team demonstrated how helping each other can lead to better outcomes and increased overall project success. In this fictional scenario, the value of being supportive shows how fostering a collaborative and helpful environment can lead to better problem solving and improved project results. The Skunkworks Spin Dynamics team's ability to support one another was key to delivering a high-quality training program and achieving their project goals. 10. Stakeholder management. Explanation. Both the product owner and a project manager share the responsibility of stakeholder management. Here's why this is the most appropriate choice. Stakeholder engagement. Both roles involve interacting with stakeholders to understand their needs, expectations, and feedback. They must ensure that stakeholder interests are represented and addressed throughout the project or product development process. Communication. Effective communication with stakeholders is crucial for both roles. They need to keep stakeholders informed about progress, changes, and any issues that may arise. Alignment. Both the product owner and project manager work to align the project or product goals with stakeholder expectations, ensuring that the final deliverable meets the needs of those involved. Scenario. Engaging stakeholders for course launch situation. The Skunkworks Spin Dynamics project is approaching its final phase, with the launch of their online training program on the horizon. DJ Spin Master, Lil Jesus Name, and their team need to ensure that all stakeholders ranging from investors and potential users to breakdancing communities and industry experts are engaged and satisfied with the progress and final product. Details. Stakeholders identified. Investors, provide financial support and expect a return on their investment. Potential users, aspiring breakdancers who will use the program. Breakdancing communities, local and online groups that promote and support breakdancing culture. Industry experts, influencers and professionals who can validate and promote the program. Actions taken to manage stakeholders, regular updates and communication. Investor briefings. Lil Jesus Name organizes monthly briefings for investors, providing updates on project milestones, financial status, and anticipated launch dates. User feedback sessions. Flare Queen conducts focus groups with potential users to gather feedback on course content and usability. These sessions help refine the curriculum and ensure it meets user needs. Community engagement. Community Chris reaches out to breakdancing communities to build excitement and gather input on what features or content they find most valuable. Expert reviews. Headspin Hero invites industry experts to review and provide feedback on the training program, ensuring it meets high standards and receives endorsements. Alignment and feedback incorporation. Feature adjustments. Based on feedback from focus groups and expert reviews, the team adjusts course content and delivery methods. For instance, incorporating additional tutorials and refining instructional clarity based on user suggestions. Marketing adjustments. Marketer aligns marketing strategies with stakeholder expectations, using feedback from breakdancing communities and industry experts to craft targeted promotional campaigns. Engagement and collaboration. Collaborative workshops. The team hosts workshops with key stakeholders, such as breakdancing influencers, to co-create promotional content and endorsements. This fosters a collaborative approach and strengthens relationships. User beta testing. Potential users participate in beta testing, providing final feedback and helping to identify any last-minute improvements before the official launch. Final preparations and launch. Launch event. DJ Spin Master and the team organize a launch event featuring live demonstrations, guest appearances by industry experts, and interactive sessions with users. This event serves as a platform to celebrate the project's success and showcase the program to all stakeholders. Post-launch follow-up. After launch, Lil Jesus Name coordinates follow-up communications with investors, users, and community members to gather post-launch feedback and ensure ongoing satisfaction. Measurable metrics. Investor satisfaction. 90% of investors report satisfaction with the project's progress and launch outcomes. User engagement. Over 1,000 users participate in beta testing, with 85% providing positive feedback on the training program. Community impact. The program garners support from 10 major breakdancing communities, with increased social media engagement by 40%. Expert endorsements. 5 industry experts provide endorsements, which contribute to a 25% increase in pre-launch sign-ups. Lessons learned and application of stakeholder management. Effective communication, regular updates and transparent communication help maintain stakeholder trust and alignment with project goals. Feedback integration. Actively incorporating stakeholder feedback ensures the final product meets their needs and expectations. Collaborative engagement. Engaging stakeholders through collaborative efforts and workshops fosters stronger relationships and enhances the project's success. Outcome. The Skunkworks Spin Dynamics project's focus on stakeholder management led to a successful launch of their Power Moves Fundamentals training program. By engaging investors, users, communities, and experts effectively, the team ensured that the product not only met but exceeded stakeholder expectations, resulting in a high-impact and well-received program. In this fictional scenario, effective stakeholder management was crucial in aligning project goals with stakeholder expectations and achieving a successful project outcome. The Skunkworks Spin Dynamics team's proactive engagement and feedback integration highlighted the importance of maintaining strong relationships and clear communication throughout the project lifecycle.